Hello, welcome back to Rishi News. Today I am telling you how the air show happened. With this Mustang 175. This is a Mustang 175 and this is a twig. Yeah, it's a toy twig and it fall on this runway, yeah, where 16 is written. The plane next to the airport went like this and took off. I mean, he did not taxi and took off. He was just flying and he did a trick, but next this happened. You already know the DC-10 McDonnell Douglas DC-10, right? The same crash happened on United plane. The plane landed, but he lost one of his wing and he went. I'll show you the video.